Welcome to the world of data engineering, where we build the pipelines that power data-driven decisions. Data engineers are the backbone of modern analytics, ensuring that data flows seamlessly and efficiently. Data engineers design, build and maintain data pipelines and ETL processes. They ensure raw data flows smoothly from multiple sources into data warehouses or lakes, making sure the data is clean, reliable, and accessible for analysis by data scientists and analysts. In today's world, companies generate massive amounts of data every day. Without structured pipelines, that data is useless noise. Data engineers transform messy raw data into structured, usable formats for decision-making, machine learning, and reporting. The typical data engineering workflow involves connecting to multiple data sources, building ETL or ELT pipelines, storing data in structured repositories, optimizing performance, and ensuring security, compliance, and data governance. Data engineers need a strong grasp of programming languages like Python, SQL, Scala, and Java. They work with data pipelines and tools such as Apache Spark, Apache Airflow, Kafka, and dbt, and are proficient in cloud services like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Beyond technical skills, data engineers must have strong attention to detail, effective cross-team communication, a problem-solving mindset, and project management skills for handling large-scale system changes. Imagine an e-commerce company with billions of clicks, sales, and returns happening daily. Data engineers build pipelines that pull web logs, transactions, and customer interactions into a central system, enabling analysts to uncover insights like top-selling products and customer churn risks. Data engineering offers lucrative salary potential, with entry-level positions ranging from $80,000 to $110,000 per year, and senior roles reaching up to $180,000. Specialists in big tech can earn even more, with freelance rates between $70 and $150 per hour. Data engineers have diverse career growth paths, including advancing to senior roles, transitioning into machine learning or AI engineering, moving into cloud data engineering, or becoming independent consultants optimizing data stacks. To get started in data engineering, learn essential skills like SQL and Python, practice with ETL frameworks, explore cloud platforms, and work on small projects like building a database from public data or automating reports. Data engineers face challenges such as managing massive data volumes, ensuring real-time versus batch processing balance, handling data quality and inconsistencies, working with legacy systems, and keeping up with rapidly evolving tools. Data engineers are the unsung heroes of data-driven companies. With high demand, strong salaries, and opportunities to work on cutting-edge problems, continuous learning is essential, but the career potential is massive. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell for more tech career deep dives, and comment below. Would you want to become a data engineer? What excites you about the role?